Sai, and today I'm back to you with another mind-blowing science experiment. Since I haven't been uploading videos for the past few months because I was busy with my academics and exams, I have decided to divert a bit from the idioms and do a science experiment. I decided to do this science experiment called DIY hologram. I felt this science experiment was very interesting, so I decided to share it with you guys. So let us start with what is a hologram. A hologram is a three-dimensional picture which looks like it's really there, but it's actually not. It's created with laser lights. First, let's start with what the materials required and how to make it. Let's start with the materials required, which are a lamination sheet which you can find at stationery shops, a piece of cardboard or anything to keep below the glass container, scissors and a marker. To make this experiment, you first need to take the lamination sheet, place it carefully on the top of the glass container, take the marker and outline it. Then you have to take the scissors and carefully cut it. After you're done cutting the paper, you have to take the lamination sheet and place it at a 45-degree angle, which is slant. So it would look something like this. When you slant it from the side, it will be like something like this. And then you take the cardboard and keep it under the glass container. After you cut it, slowly take it and then take a few pieces of cello tape and then attach it in place so that it does not move. You also need a phone for this experiment. Then turn it upside down. Take your phone. I've uploaded a link in the description below. Click on it and then place it somewhat like this. And then you can easily see the hologram. It will look 3D, like it's actually there, but it's actually not. Then there's one more thing when the experiment won't work. See, when you see if you slant it like this, you have to keep it at front. So the slant is towards you. If you keep it like this, when the slant is not towards you, you cannot see it from any angle. So it's like this. Now we'll watch this video. Now that you have seen how the hologram works, let's look at the science behind this DIY, homemade, do-it-yourself hologram. Look, this is made with laser lights, which is basically laser beams of light. Usually when you see any picture, it just looks plain flat. But then when you look at holograms, they have width, depth, length and everything. So it looks like it's almost really there, but it's actually not. So the science behind this is, when light shines on this, some part of the light reflects off the object. The light divides into two. One part of the light reflects off the object and the other reflects off a special plate. In this is the lamination sheet. Then where these two beams meet, you can see a 3D object from a specific angle. So you need to be where the beams meet. You can easily make this experiment at home. So I decided to show this to you. Thank you.